Hello students, how are you? Let's learn English with Miss Lida. Today we will learn about kitchen utensils, yaitu peralatan dapur.
Okay, let's go! Knife,
Pisau,
fork,
garpu,
spoon,
sendok,
spatula,
sutil,
whisk,
pengocok,
bowl,
mangkuk,
plate,
piring,
cup,
cangkir,
mug,
cangkir besar,
glass,
gelas,
coaster,
tatakan gelas,
glass lid,
tutup gelas,
spice container,
tempat bumbu,
saucepan,
panci saus,
frying pan,
wajan,
pot,
panci,
chopsticks,
sumpit,
cutting board,
talenan,
basin,
baskom,
tray,
nampan,
baking sheet,
loyang,
food cover,
tudung saji,
thermos,
termos,
peeler,
pengupas,
grater,
parutan,
colander,
tempat nasi,
strainer,
penyaring,
rolling pin,
penggiling adonan,
measuring cup,
gelas ukur,
tongs,
penjepit,
can opener,
pembuka kaleng,
bottle opener,
pembuka botol,
ladle,
sendok sayur,
tea kettle,
teko teh,
mortar and pestle,
lesung dan alu,
kitchen scale,
timbangan dapur,
toaster,
pemanggang roti,
apron,
celemek,
napkin,
serbet,
stove,
kompor,
steamer,
Kukusan.
Pizza cutter. Pizza cutter.
Pemotong pizza.
Pastry brush. Pastry brush.
Kuas pastry.
Garlic press. Garlic press.
Penghancur bawang putih.
Rice cooker. Rice cooker.
Penanak nasi.
Microwave. Microwave.
Microwave.
Oven. Oven.
Oven.
Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker.
Panci presto.
Blender. Blender.
Blender.
Mixer. Mixer.
Mixer.
Refrigerator. Refrigerator.
Kulkas.
Dishwasher. Dishwasher.
Mesin cuci piring.
Sink. Sink.
Tempat cuci piring.
Kitchen roll. Kitchen roll.
Tisu dapur.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Wow.